This is a newly released deep sleep plus weight loss supplement in the market that has been designed for older adults to help them with effective weight shedding. This formula deals with the specific needs of the body to help in effectively slimming down. Have you noticed that losing weight has become tougher for you with age? This is because as you climb up the age ladder, your body starts to slow down. Many essential processes such as metabolism now work at a snail's pace. Moreover, several essential nutrients that are needed in your body start getting depleted because of being low in production. This is why it becomes more and more difficult to shed off excess pounds and also why older adults are typically overweight. Is there a solution for this problem, or is the person confined to a fat physique just because he cannot turn the clock in his favor? A supplement such as Resurge can prove to be quite helpful in this scenario. This product has been especially designed to help older adults with their weight loss goals. It triggers the metabolic activity of these people to work faster as well as nourishes their body so that they are able to live a better lifestyle. Essentially, this formula accelerates the fat-burning processes of the body, which results in higher energy levels and hence, better health. Best features of this supplement. John Barban Resurge supplement has many qualities which make it seem like a supplement that is both reliable and effective. Below is a quick account of the best features of this product. 1. It has a natural composition. First and foremost, this product has a natural making. This means that it comprises of only ingredients which have been plucked from nature. There is not even the addition of a single filler or chemical ingredient which can cause unpleasant side effects of use. 2. It is safe for daily use. Talking about nasty side effects on the use of supplements, this is not a concern that you should face when you are using this product. This is because this formula uses only the best ingredients and as well as, in the right doses, after research has proven each ingredient included to be effective. 3. It has research backing it. While the company has not mentioned the exact research measures that have been taken for the production of Resurge pills, it does say that the product is well supported by science. In fact, all the ingredients have been added only after scientific evidence has shown them to be effective at aiding with weight loss for older adults. 4. It is of a premium quality. The quality of the formula is also excellent, which is yet another reason why this product seems to be like a trustworthy option. It has been developed in a facility that is both FDA registered as well as follows good manufacturing practices. The supplement is also non-GMO. 5. It showcases positive customer feedback. Last but not least, this formula has been shown by positive customer reviews to be effective. While you cannot trust the word of the company itself, you surely can rely on the word of the people who have tried the supplement for their own health and weight loss goals. Expected results. There are several ways this product works in the favor of your health. Let's take a look at some benefits that you may achieve from the regular use of Resurge Deep Sleep Supplement. Here goes. Weight loss. This is the primary benefit that you can drive out of this supplement. If you're an older adult who is looking for a solution that has been specifically designed for accelerating metabolic activity of older adults, this is the product that you should choose. Higher energy. Another benefit that you can expect from this product is that of higher energy levels. When your metabolic activity is boosted, fats are burned off into energy at a faster rate. This energy is more sustainable as well as of a better quality, which makes you more active and productive. Improved sleep. Most adults struggle with enjoying a peaceful sleep. This product has natural ingredients which also trigger good sleep. As a result, people who use it are able to relax and catch the sleep they need to wake up refreshed the next day. Better digestion. Last but not least, this product also relieves you of embarrassing digestive concerns such as nausea, diarrhea, and digestion. You no more have to face the trouble of repeatedly rushing to the toilet. You also feel better overall as you get rid of bloating. There is a money-back guarantee that backs your purchase as well. This guarantee lasts for 60 days, during which time you can decide whether you would like to keep the product or return it for getting your cash back. In conclusion, it must be said that Resurge supplement seems to be a very effective product for anyone who wants to lose weight and is in the older adult age bracket. The supplement helps trigger metabolic activity which has slowed down due to age. It also improves the biological functioning of the body to support good health. It comes with a money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose.